show. With the bottom,
I can't look at this shit already.
To be exposed. Body banging like Megan, looking better than a sneakers ball. The way you pop it, like you wanna play a story ball. Moving your mama, yo, keep doing what you doing.
LC nasty ass.
She gon' show you how we screw it. Why do I do it? She do it what you waiting for.
LC nasty ass. Throwing up and shit. In Miami. K-Hole his liquor. K-Hole his liquor.
No, bro, ain't shit.
Yeah.
Motherfuckers expect me to motherfucking hold that shit. I can't if I ain't ate nothing.
Yeah, I understand.
If they can't respect that, I don't know what the fuck you're
well, shit, don't drink, motherfucker.
There you go, round two.
Razzle dazzle.
I'm good now, though.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
2013.
This boss man fucked up. Nah,
he fucked up.
Hey, and I'm gonna let y'all know some real motherfucking shit right now. I respect my boy so much, I did not even throw up on his seat.
That nigga spit in that hold on.
I threw up on my motherfucking pants, so I make sure I wouldn't disrespect that nigga and throw up on your seat, cause it's not his fault I'm drunk.
You drunk motherfucker. Happy New Year, you drunk motherfucker. LZ's drunk than a bitch.
I enjoyed it with my boys, man. I promise you I did. I miss my fam, but I enjoyed it even more out here in MIA with my boss man, nigga, man. For real. I'm focused, but I ain't focused. Goddamn.
You ain't focused, nigga. You fucked up.
I'm fucked up.
That didn't sound focused, but I ain't.
Hey, but Chanzo, this ain't like I was for my birthday, cuz.
And we going to the booth, Flair.
Already.
Alright.
Bow.